beautiful people! Welcome back at Everything Nice at Mitch Succulent Love, and I'm inviting you to like and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell for more updates on my videos. And for today's vlog ay magre-repot tayo ng aking mga new collection. Ayan, so let's go! Ituturo ko sa inyo ang magandang soil mix. By the way, this is Kiko, one of my wish list.
So ayan, we would having a gritty soil mix. Yes, gritty. Singgaspang ng ugali ng kaibigan mo. Ayan. Ayan. So this is loam soil, Plasman or the Sphagnum moss, aged cocoa peat, and the CRH. Finally, nadala ko na siya. And then we would use the two size of ngayon naman ng mga bagets na to. The two size of pumice stone, the matanghito and the munguzais na medyo basa. Ayan. And lava rock. Yung usok ka. Ayan. So, kung 2 cups yung ginamit mo na loam soil, dapat 2 cups din yung gagamitin mo na Plasman, cocoa peat, CRH, tsaka ito. So kasi may mix na po yung soil ko ng pumice stone and lava rock. Yun dati. So yun lang, mix lang tayo mga B. You can also add your chicken manure, vermicast, cow's manure, anything you like, you can add. So, mix lang natin. Parang ang dami ng soil ko. Kala mo naman kalaki-laki ng pots ko. Ayan. So, na-mix na natin siya. And then, I would put the DE powder. Kahit masobrahan kayo sa DE powder, carry lang. So, it's up to you kung gaano karami nyo gusto. Just mix and mix. Ayan. So, dapat naka-face mask ha pag nagmi-mix ng DE powder. Ayan. So, where are the others? Ayan. So, this is perlite from Plant Culture. Medyo pricey po yung perlite.
So, compared perlite to pumice stone, mas mahal po yung perlite, pero mas maganda po siya kesa sa pumice stone. So, I'm using 2 cups of perlite kasi yung ginamit ko po sa soil mix ko is 2 cups po sila. So, for the equal ratio, 2 cups of perlite, 2 cups of loam soil, 2 cups of CRH, 2 cups of sphagnum moss, and 2 cups of ano ba isa? Cocoa peat, o diba? Ang dami mo namang sinabi, Mitch. Basta tigto 2 cups po sila to be equally and be gritty. Yes, gritty mixture, singgaspang ng ugali ng katrabaho mong attitude talaga. Ayan, so sa work, hindi talagang nawawalan ng mga attitude na ka-work. At minsan sila pa yung talagang naninira. Anyway, true to life po ito, charot. Welcome to Maalaala Mo Kaya version Succulent Garden, charis. Ayan. So, i-mix lang po natin. Halo-haloin lang natin kagaya ng panghahalo ng panloloko ng ka-work mo. Ayan, charis. Mekos from the land of Ameba Ecija. Charot. Ayan. So, ihalo-halo lang natin. Ayan. Kitang-kita nyo naman. I'm sure very gritty po ito. And pina-healthy na mga organic material. Hopefully, maging healthy ang aking mga succulent. So, ayan. So let's do the repotting session, one of my favorite thing. So ito, I have a bell pot, the white color. So maganda kasi talaga pag white yung pot mo, mas maganda silang tingnan. But you know, when you're buying a pot, sometimes wala namang available na white pot. So nakabili ako from the SM. Red pot naman sila for the large size for gymno. So ayun, this is Kiko, one of my wish list. For 250 pesos nakabili ako from the Johan's Cacti Corner. So yun, pricey din talaga yung mga Kiko as well as the Koryo type. Ayan. So ito is from Ate Daisy, a gift from Ate Daisy. And yeah, I love angels. So, ayan. Perfect yung gift niya sa akin. And I would choose the LBHB bigger, the big one. To put it, ay hindi pala. Si Astro pala. Ayan, yung malaking Astro. Pero, ayan. Ano ba talaga, Mitch? O, diba? Napag-desisyonan ko din. For the angel head, it would be the Astro. Ayan. Ang cute-cute talaga ng angel na to. So, ayan. For the toppers, syempre, alam nyo naman, I use Masato soil for the Astro. And for the Gymno Calcium is the cultured soil. But I would try other soil mix experimentation natin yan sa susunod nating mga vlog dahil may parating pang bagong mga Gymno Calcium and Astro ang person as well as Cristata. So abangan nyo yan. Excited na nga din ako. Ang tagal naman dumating. Of course, from Thailand and from the Johan's Cacti Corner. Ayan. So, fill up lang tayo ng pots for the greatest soil mix again. Sing gritty po ito ng ugali ng kawork ko. Charot. Ayan. Ina-name drop ko na yan. Charot. Ayan. So, okay. Ayan. Itap-tap lang natin to. So, ang swerte ko sa nabili ko na to. Para na siyang albo. Actually, albo Gymno Calcium. So, from the Gymno Calcium variegation, there are some colors they go, the sepia, the neon color, the copper tone. So, magkakaroon po ako ng copper tones. Excited much. And I can't wait for it. Kasabay po yan ng Cristata. So, anyway, this is the Buddha pot. So, given from Ate Daisy, o diba? Hello, Ate Daisy. Thank you so much again for the pots you've given to me. Yung head pot. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang nailagay ko dito ay si cultured soil. Ayan. So, nadudumihan kasi yung yung pot. Diba kasi pag puting kulay is dumihin din. Ayan. So, next, ito po yung mga hindi ko pa nare-repot from the Lip and Tell. So, yung iba, nire-repot ko na. So, yung iba, nanatili pa rin sila sa kanilang pot. Hindi ko pa alam kung gusto ko silang ilagay sa compat or by solo pot. Kasi, pagka solo pot, mas maganda silang tingnan. Kapag mga compat kasi, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung mga marbling nila. So, ayun. Pero bumili din pa rin ako ng compat for the mga, kung halimbawa gusto kong mag-order ulit ng Gymno Calcium ng biglaan, diba? So, at least mayroon akong compat. At pwede ko ding ipatong doon kung wala pa akong pot. O, diba? So, guys, we're done. So, are you ready for a beautiful closer look? Let's go! Ayan, eye candy. Sana all may beautiful look, diba? Ayan. So, I hope may natutunan po kayo sa ating vlog today. Tandaan, ang gagamitin for Gymno Calcium and Astro is
Gritty soil mixing gaspang ng ugali ng kawork mo at ng kawork ko, diba? Ayan. So, thank you for watching and see you on my next video at Everything Nice at Mitch. Succulent love, your Nurse Plantita saying God bless po at laging mag-ingat. And tomorrow, iko-continue po natin yung eye candy sa aking mga collection. Busugin natin na ang mga mata nyo sa inyong mapapanood. So, hopefully bukas ay manood pa rin po kayo. Thank you and see you tomorrow!